Hello everyone, welcome to Pika Diaries. This is Priyanka Seth here. I want to share with you all that I'm going to make a series of 3 videos in which I'm going to teach you how to create a very natural dewy makeup look, a matte makeup look, or a demi matte or a neutral makeup look. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create this dewy makeup look. This is like a very natural dewy makeup look and you can wear this makeup look every day if you are a makeup girl or a makeup person. Seriously, this look is so simple and it will look chic and elegant on everybody. So if you also want to know how to achieve this dewy makeup, then please continue watching my video. So let's get started. To moisturize my face first, I'm going to use this Dot & Key Skin Awakening Moisture Boost Serum. This serum is actually not in the oil formula. It has a very cream-like consistency and it gets absorbed in your skin very quickly. So I'm just going to take 2 pumps of this serum. I use this serum every morning because it just smells so amazing, and in summers it's very cooling because it has peppermint oil in it and it really gives me a boost of hydration throughout the day. I don't need to apply it again. After moisturizer, I'm going in with this M.A.C Strobe cream. I think this is in the shade Pink Light, and this strobe cream is going to give me a luminosity. It is going to give me a very nice hydration and shine underneath my foundation, which is gonna glow. I'm just going to put this strobe cream on the high points of my face where I want a little bit of shine and I want my skin to glow. I'm just going to take a little bit on my cheeks as well, on my nose, forehead. So for a dewy and natural look, I also want to use a foundation which looks very natural on your face and also gives you a dewy effect. And you guys know my choice, Milani Conceal and Perfect is the best for this natural and dewy makeup look. So I'm just going to take 2 pumps of this foundation and I'm going to blend this foundation with my beauty blender. You can also use a flat brush or a foundation brush if you want to. For concealer, I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the shade Classic Ivory. Today, I'm just going to hide my dark circles with it. I'm not going to highlight my high points because I already used strobe cream for that. So for this look, I'm not going to set my entire face with powder because if I do that, the luminosity will just disappear. But because I use concealer under my eyes, there is a chance that my eyes will crease during the day. For that, I'm just going to conceal my under eyes with this Maybelline Fit Me Press Powder. This is in the shade Porcelain. For any natural and dewy makeup look, I always use cream-based products. Using cream-based product is just going to add up to the glow. For this natural look, I don't want to harshly contour or sculpt my face. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this bronzer on a brush and I will just give my face a very soft definition. So I'm not sure about the name of this bronzer. This is from LA Girl, but I'm going to link this product down in the description box so you can definitely check it out from there. Blush as well, I'm going to use a cream based blush which is not going to mattify the glow happening here. This blush is from Faces Canada and this shade is Passionate Pink 02. I'm just going to use my fingers for this blush. You can also use a brush if you want to. I'm just applying a little bit of blush and I'm bringing it upwards. For highlighter, I'm going to use this liquid highlighter by Benefit. I just want to highlight the high points of my face. I'm just going to complete my eyes in 3 steps. First, I'm going to use the same bronzer that I used on my face. I will just take a little bit on this eye brush and I'm going to place this on my eyelid. If you want, you can also use your fingers for the same application. I'm bringing it a little outwards just for an opening effect. I'm also going to take a little bit underneath my eyes. For the second step, I'm going to use this eyebrow mascara. I'm not going to use an eyebrow pencil today because it just gives a very boxy eyebrow look. For mascara, I'm going to use this L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. I'm just going to take the excess off first because I don't want a goop of mascara on my lashes. This mascara is great, you guys. As you can see, my eyelashes are uplifted now and they look voluminous. After eyes, it's time to do our lips now. For that, I'm going to use this Huda Beauty lipstick. This is in the shade Bombshell. For some finishing touches, I'm going to use the same liquid highlighter and I'm going to put a little bit on my brow bone and a little bit on the inner corner. To set my entire face, I'm going to use this makeup fixer by Swiss Beauty. This is my version of natural dewy makeup look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon down there because I'm coming up with a matte makeup look next week. So stay tuned for that. Until then, bye bye everyone.